Greetings everyone, and welcome to HouseLux Estate, your trusted guide in the world of real estate. We're here to illuminate the path on your journey to owning a second-hand house. We'll be sharing some key pointers to consider before making your big decision. This is a topic that can seem daunting, but with the right knowledge, it becomes a walk in the park. So buckle up as we embark on this enlightening ride. Without further ado, let's dive into the top 10 things you need to know before buying a second-hand house. And first off, it's essential to understand your financial capacity. Buying a second-hand house is a significant monetary commitment, and it requires careful planning and budgeting. It's not just about the initial purchase, but also the ongoing costs of ownership, such as property taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Think of your finances as a well-tuned machine. Every component, from your monthly income to your credit score, plays a crucial role in determining your purchasing power. It's crucial not to stretch yourself too thin. Consider working with a financial advisor or using online budgeting tools to get a clear picture of what you can afford. This process may seem daunting, but it's a critical step in ensuring that your investment in a second-hand house is a sound one. Remember, a house is an investment, so ensure you can afford it comfortably. A well-planned budget will serve as a roadmap to your new home, setting you on a path to successful homeownership. Secondly, never underestimate the power of location. The place where a house sits can often be as important as the house itself. When buying a second-hand house, you're not just investing in bricks and mortar, but also the neighborhood around it. Consider the amenities and close proximity. How accessible are schools, hospitals, grocery stores, and public transportation? Is the house near a park or a community center? These conveniences will make your daily life easier and can also enhance the value of your property. Also, consider the potential for value appreciation. Is the area up and coming? Are there any future development plans that could boost the value of your property? It's also worth considering noise levels, crime rates, and the overall atmosphere of the neighborhood. Even the best house can be a poor investment if it's in a bad location. Remember, you can renovate a house, but you can't change its location. The location can greatly affect the value and convenience of your property. Thirdly, it's crucial to inspect the property thoroughly. Don't judge a book by its cover, or in this case, a house by its facade. A well-presented exterior can sometimes mask hidden problems lurking beneath. It's where the importance of a comprehensive home inspection comes into play. Imagine moving into your dream house only to find out that the plumbing system is faulty, or the foundation isn't as solid as you thought. Unpleasant surprises like these can turn your dream into a nightmare, and they can also lead to significant, unexpected expenses. A thorough home inspection lets you identify potential issues beforehand. It could be anything from small repairs to major structural problems. Knowing these issues not only prepares you for what's ahead, but also gives you a bargaining chip to negotiate the price. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about the property, the better equipped you are to make an informed decision. An in-depth home inspection can save you from future headaches. Fourth, always check the legalities. It's crucial not to overlook this step when buying a second-hand house. The importance of verifying property documents cannot be overstated. This includes checking the title deed, which confirms the ownership of the property. You'll want to ensure that the seller is indeed the legal owner, and that there are no outstanding mortgages or liens on the house. Also, make sure there are no legal disputes tied to the property, such as boundary issues or pending lawsuits. This can be done by checking with the local courthouse or hiring a real estate attorney. Remember, buying a house is a significant investment, and you don't want to be caught off guard by legal issues after the purchase. So take your time, do your research, and don't be shy about asking for help from professionals. Avoid potential legal troubles by doing your due diligence. Fifth, do your market research. Now, we're not talking high school homework here. This is the real deal. Understanding the current market trends is like having a secret weapon in your back pocket. It's about knowing the ins and outs, the ebb and flow of the real estate world. When you're looking at secondhand homes, you need to get a feel for the price ranges out there. Compare similar properties in the area. Look at how long houses are staying on the market. Are prices rising or falling? These are all vital pieces of the puzzle. Don't just rely on gut instinct. Use the data. Get to grips with the figures. This isn't just about buying a house, it's about making a smart investment. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about the market, the better positioned you are to negotiate a fair price. So roll up your sleeves and start researching. Knowledge of the market can help you negotiate a fair price. Sixth, consider the age of the house. The age is not just a number when it comes to a house. Just like a fine wine, some homes age gracefully, while others can develop problems over time. A house that's been standing for a century certainly has its charm, but it might also come with outdated plumbing, electrical systems, and insulation, which can all lead to hefty maintenance costs. In contrast, a newer home, while lacking the same character, is more likely to meet modern building codes and often includes energy-efficient features that can save you money in the long run. Remember, it's not about old versus new, but rather about understanding what comes with each. It's about balancing the allure of a storied past with the practicalities of modern living. An older house may have more character, but it might also require more upkeep. So, take the time to weigh these factors before making your decision. A seventh, understand the potential resale value. This is crucial when considering any property purchase. The resale value of a home is influenced by a multitude of factors. The location of the property, its size, the condition it's in, and the local real estate market trends all play a significant role. Consider the neighborhood. Is it up and coming or already established? Is it close to amenities like schools, shopping centers, and public transportation? These are all aspects that can increase a property's value over time. The condition and size of the house are also important. A well-maintained home with multiple bedrooms and bathrooms will generally command a higher price than a smaller, less well-kept property. Finally, investigate local real estate market trends. Are home prices in the area on the rise, or are they dipping? Understanding these trends can help you make an informed prediction on the potential resale value of the house. Remember, a good investment is one that can provide a decent return in the future. Eighth, don't forget to factor in renovation costs. Now, it's quite rare to find a second-hand home that's perfect as is. More often than not, you will need to roll up your sleeves and get a bit dirty with some home improvements. You might be thinking about a fresh coat of paint, replacing old appliances, or even more significant changes like upgrading the kitchen or adding an extra bathroom. Remember, all these come with a price tag. It's not just about buying the house. It's about making it a home you love. So before you seal the deal, make sure you have a clear understanding of the potential renovation costs. Walk through the house with a trusted contractor or a knowledgeable friend who can give you a rough estimate of the repair costs. It's also a good idea to set aside a contingency budget for unexpected expenses, because when it comes to renovation, surprises are almost always part of the package. Renovation costs can add up, so it's crucial to factor these into your budget. Ninth, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. This might seem like an additional expense, but consider it an investment towards securing your dream home. Real estate agents or advisors can bring a wealth of knowledge and experience to the table, simplifying the complex process of buying a second-hand house. They not only have access to numerous listings, but also have a deep understanding of the real estate market trends. They can provide insights into the neighborhood, house history, and even help you negotiate a better deal. Furthermore, they can guide you through the legal intricacies, ensuring a smooth and legal transaction. But it's not just about finding a house. It's about finding a home that suits your needs and fits your budget. And sometimes, you need that extra pair of eyes, that professional touch, to help you make the right decision. A professional can provide valuable insights and help avoid potential pitfalls. And finally, always trust your instincts. The journey of buying a second-hand house is a blend of practicality and personal intuition. Let's recap. Understand your finance, evaluate the location, inspect the property, check the legalities, research the market, consider the house's age, understand the resale value, consider renovation costs, and seek professional advice. Yet always remember that your feelings matter too. Remember, buying a house is not just a financial decision, it's a personal one too. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more real estate advice.